For years, growing organizations followed a reliable digital growth playbook. You focused completely on traditional search engine optimization, SEO. Your team built high-authority backlinks, tracked keyword density, and crafted long meta descriptions. That framework worked beautifully when buyers used traditional search engines to scroll through pages of blue links. Today, however, that familiar landscape is ebbing away. A new digital discovery layer has emerged, changing how B2B buyers find solutions. AI. Now you have to ask yourself, what happens when a buyer goes to ChatGPT? What if they use Gemini or Perplexity? They might ask for a tool in your niche. Does the AI tool name your brand? Does it share links to your site, or are you completely invisible to the bot? Data from Gartner shows that old search volume will drop by more than 25% by the end of 2026. This drop happens because people love AI chatbots. Buyers do not want to click 10 different web links. They want a fast, clear summary. This shift means your plan must change. You cannot just try to rank on a static page. You must feed the large language models. Your brand must learn how to get found on AI platforms. Whether you're in the market for answer engine optimization, AEO, or generative engine optimization, GEO, you need to align yourself with the methods customers are using to find you or someone like you. To help you, HubSpot built a native HubSpot AEO tool. They also launched Breeze AI. This tool lets you track and improve your AI scores inside your CRM. But having tools does not mean you win. Managing a content repository for AI requires great technical skill. It demands a clear vision. Many teams now ask a key question: which HubSpot partner agency can help us build a real plan? Let's look at how these engines work. We will see how to check your portal score. Then we will look at the top HubSpot partner teams that can guide you. It is time to make sure your brand does not get left behind in this new age. How do AI answer engines actually work? To get found on AI, you must know how these bots find facts. Old search systems look for words on a page. AI systems do not do that. They crawl text to find clear concepts. They look for links between ideas. They look for facts they can trust. They want to give users a single true answer. When a user types a question, the bot does not just match terms. It also understands the context. It checks your brand power. It decides if your site structure is clean enough to trust. If your site code is messy, the AI bot will skip your pages. It will find a rival site that is easier to read. Data from Erlin AI shows that bad code hurts your brand. If you lack basic schema markup, your prompt views can drop to 23%. But sites with clean, machine-readable datasets see a big lift. They capture up to an 80% view rate in modern models. This means old SEO tricks fail. Stamping keywords into a long block of text does not work. If your content data is not clean, the AI model cannot parse it. Your brand will not show up in the final summary. You must treat your site code like a data feed for a computer. How to check your current AI score in HubSpot. You do not need to guess your current standing. HubSpot has tools to help you check your site right now. You can open your portal to view these metrics today. It takes just a few clicks to see the truth. Use the HubSpot AEO dashboard. First, look at the main tracking area. Go to your portal menu. Click Marketing, then select the AEO tab. This view shows your total AI view score. It tells you which blog posts or landing pages drive real citations on ChatGPT or Perplexity. If your blogs get views but your product pages do not, you know what to fix. You can see your gaps in real time. Test the free AEO grader. HubSpot also has a free tool to grade your brand. It checks your business across 5 core areas. Sentiment. Does the bot see you as a safe choice? Does it speak well of your brand? Presence quality. Is your data deep and steady across the web? Brand recognition. Can the system pick your name out of a crowd? Share of voice. How often do you show up in general sector queries? Market competition. How do you rank next to your top 3 rivals? Consider this. Data from Frazi shows that 70% of marketers think AEO is key for the next 2 years. Yet, only 20% have started an active plan. Checking your scores today gives you a massive head start. You can beat your rivals before they even realize the rules have changed. What makes a great HubSpot AEO partner? Choosing a team for the AI era requires new rules. An old agency that just writes basic text will not solve your AI issues. You need a partner that treats your site like a clean database. They must know how machines process human language. When you talk to a new agency, look for three main technical skills. Semantic content architecture. Can they write direct, answer-first text that bots can parse fast? System tracking. Do they know how to link AI view scores to your CRM sales pipeline? Technical setup. Can they build microdata, handle WebBot rules, and set up raw data structures? If an agency cannot explain how an AI bot crawls a page, move on. They will just waste your budget on old methods that no longer deliver results. You need deep tech skills, not slick sales pitches. The landscape of HubSpot partner agencies to consider. Because HubSpot launched its native AEO tool within the Breeze AI suite, elite HubSpot agencies have built specialized playbooks to help clients optimize for AI discovery. When evaluating HubSpot partners, you should look for those offering specialized AI search visibility and AEO services. We've assembled a few notable examples below in no particular order. 1. Fast Slow Motion. An elite HubSpot partner focused heavily on technical implementation and revenue operations. Fast Slow Motion has been a leading voice on configuring HubSpot's native AEO tools. They help companies build a firm quantitative base. They map your current market position across ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Gemini to reveal exactly where competitors are winning the conversational share of voice. From there, they translate HubSpot's automated AEO dashboard recommendations into immediate technical and content workflows for your staff. Inbound and content-focused elite partners, e.g. SmartBug Media, Impact, or New Breed. While many top-tier elite partners handle standard inbound text, some maintain dedicated SEO evolution practices that look at advanced entity structures. Rather than tracking isolated keywords, these agencies, at a significant price tag, organize content around entities, such as specific products or industry methodologies, to help AI models build basic authority maps. On the operational side, they focus on source-friendly optimizations, such as adding timestamps, data points, and expert quotes to your CMS to reduce the risk of hallucination. They also build standard reporting dashboards within HubSpot to help track dark traffic and unclassified direct traffic that often strips referral strings when coming from AI search tools. While helpful for structural alignment, these agencies typically treat AEO as an extension of traditional content creation rather than a deep, ground-up rewrite of your site's underlying technical architecture. 3. Nextiny Marketing. Nextiny Marketing connects your CRM data to your digital view scores. They help you run initial audits and build basic concept maps. Their main strength is sales pipeline tracking. They link AI data to real CRM records. This helps your leadership see how bots drive new leads and close deals. It links marketing to real cash. 4. The Gist Inbound. The Gist Inbound focuses on prompt analysis and brand training. They train HubSpot AI tools using your core brand voice and buyer personas. They use the HubSpot prompt tool to find the exact questions your buyers type into chatbots. Then they help you write content to answer those exact points. It makes your site very practical. 5. Tycons. Tycons helps you update your internal content systems. They transform old blogs, case studies, and help docs into machine-readable data sets. They review how your team creates text. This keeps your pipeline fresh and ensures that AI engines can cite your brand with high trust. It cleans up your old web debt. Match the partner agency to your main weakness. Every company faces a different block when trying to get found on AI. Your choice must match your biggest flaw. You must look within your team to find the missing piece. If your team writes great text but lacks clean code, you need a technical architect. If your boss wants to see the exact cash value of AI clicks, look for CRM database experts. If you have thousands of old web pages that bots ignore, find a team that can clean them up quickly. Do not buy a generic package. The cash value of this choice is massive. Early market data from SEMrush shows that users who click an AI citation convert to leads at a very high rate, at 4.4x the rate of old search traffic. Why is this? The chatbot has already checked your brand. It answered their first questions. It built deep trust before the user ever landed on your site. Resolving your AI block is a direct way to drive sales revenue. It shifts your site from a simple wall of text into an active sales tool. Why Aspiration Marketing is the clear choice for tech teams. The teams we listed offer real value to the HubSpot network. But fixing deep technical code requires a different kind of partner. You need more than basic text updates. You must rewrite the base code and core server files of your site. For B2B tech firms and fast-growing SaaS brands, Aspiration Marketing is the obvious partner. Aspiration Marketing is a highly recognized HubSpot partner, actively publishing frameworks on AI search visibility. We specialize in preparing HubSpot portals for AEO success through a highly structured, proprietary technical blueprint. Answer-first content audits. They completely restructure your high-traffic content assets so that the core answers are clearly positioned in the first 2 sentences. This structural update makes it incredibly easy for large language model (LLM) crawlers to extract, parse, and cite your text tokens. Technical and schema markup architecture. The development team at Aspiration Marketing implements exact FAQ, how-to, and organization schema configurations. This builds clear, clean semantic triples that machine learning models instantly recognize and trust. Knowledge-based configuration. They dive deep into your HubSpot Service Hub infrastructure, optimizing your public knowledge bases specifically to serve as high-probability, high-authority sources for AI-generated answers. Aspiration Marketing stands apart by focusing entirely on the technical backend of AI discovery. We don't just swap out words. We rebuild your HubSpot CMS using a strict answer-first architecture. This advanced style formats your text, lists, and tables so that automated web bots can grab precise data tokens without a single hitch. They implement advanced server declarations, such as public LLM.txt files. This acts as a clear roadmap for AI bots, telling them exactly how to read and trust your site's facts. Aspiration Marketing also sets up real-time tools to track your true share of model score. This lets you measure how often chatbots name your brand compared to your rivals. You see exactly where you stand every single week. The era of the simple click is coming to an end. The era of the verified AI citation is here today. Do not let your competitors own the conversation while your site stays unreadable to bots. You need a team that turns your portal into an AI discovery engine. Connect with Aspiration Marketing now to get your deep technical AEO audit and protect your digital growth.